Many creators are using a variety of AI tools to create AI avatar videos and make money online. The great news is that you can now use one AI avatar generator to create faceless video content. Today, I will show you how you can create unlimited faceless YouTube video with a single AI video generator. First things first, pick a topic or niche that resonates with your target audience. Are you passionate about tech trends or maybe evergreen content like personal finance tips? Choosing a trending or evergreen niche will help your videos stay relevant and attract more views over time. This is the foundation of your viral video success. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Virbo AI Avatar Video Generator. This powerful tool allows you to create high-quality AI avatar videos without showing your face. You can download Virbo through the link in the description. It's packed with everything you need to craft high-quality, monetizable content for YouTube. Once inside Virbo, you'll find a wide collection of AI realistic avatars. Check out the newly launched avatars, Ethan and Isabella. These avatars are designed to look and sound incredibly realistic, making your content more engaging and professional. If you want a custom avatar, head to the Virbo mobile app. Navigate to AI tools and select the AI photo generator. Here, you can create a unique AI image that will serve as your custom avatar, adding a personal touch to your videos. This custom avatar will help you stand out and give your channel a unique identity. Now, let's bring your custom avatar to life. Use Virbo's talking photo feature to animate your AI-generated avatar. Simply upload your avatar, input your script, and watch as your avatar speaks directly to your audience. And there you have it! With Virbo, creating viral, monetizable AI avatar videos on YouTube is easier than ever. If you are ready to start, download Virbo today using the link in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.